Welcome back to the NVDA Options Wheel Tracker. It's week 9 and today NVDA landed right between my strikes, so I rolled both the put and the call straight out another week. My totals are closing in on $2,000 since August 1st, with most of it coming from options premium and only about $700 from the shares themselves. Let's jump into the details. With NVIDIA trading at about $176 a share, both my $170 cash secured put and the $185 covered call are about to expire in the money this week, so my rolls will be very easy. I'm just going to roll each of these positions out exactly 7 days. For the cash secured put, I can expect a premium of about $115 or $116. Now let's roll the call. I click on the position, roll selected, double check my order form, buying to close the September 26th call and selling to open a new one that expires in 7 days. And I can expect a net credit of $54 or $55. Now I will check the premiums I received. I click over here on positions and then over here to my filled orders. I see the put filled at 117 and the call filled at 55. My 2 contracts from last week are now closed, so I changed their color to pink. My cash secured put premium of 115.68 translates to an annualized rate of return of 35.48%, and the covered call based on the current share price as collateral value brings me an annualized rate of 15.88%. Let's do a quick sum. Since I opened this position on August 1st, 2025 by buying 150 shares, my total out of pocket is $24,258 and some change. If I divide that by 150 shares, I can see my average investment per share at this point is $161.72. All of my income from this trade campaign since I opened it early August has been from the options premium. I haven't bought or sold any shares since that original 150 shares. The current net liquidating value of the position is $26,215. If I sum all of my expense and the net liquidating value, my current profit is $1,956. So in spite of the declining share price over the last couple of weeks, my profits are holding steady. And I will see you next week, where I hope we will just lather, rinse, and repeat these trades.